Hey everybody, John Osborne here with Basecamp Trading. Today I am taking a look at Planet Fitness Inc., which is PLNT, and we're in a bit of a sideways channel here. We've been in this sideways channel now since the middle of May, end of May. We've come down to a support of 48.89 and resistance at this high right here up at 54.89. So we're kind of sitting here sideways. Wave Pro is giving us a bearish bias to the downside. All of our EMAs and SMAs are pointing lower except for the 8 EMA, which is a little bit sideways. If we look down below, we can see that momentum is starting to increase the bearishness here. We're seeing it moving lower and breaking through previous lows there. And we also triggered what's called a bear flag. There's an indicator here with this yellow dot, which is a setup dot, and the red dot is a break of the previous bar's low. And that is another indication that we could go lower, at least down to 50.22. And so what we have here is the possibility of a breakout. Now, we don't know which way it's going to break out, although it looks like it wants to break out to the downside. But we can watch for a breakout in either direction here. If we break out to the downside, that would be below 48.89 with an initial target to get down to this low right here. That would be down to 37.03. And that does look like the direction that we're going in. And of course, if we break to the upside, we'll be looking for it to go to the previous close here. I just adjusted that to be 63.96. That would be our initial target. You could use this swing low as a preliminary target for that. We'll be down at 62.39. But really, we're watching to see which way we're going to go here. We're building up more energy as we continue to go sideways here. So we could see a decent breakout, either to go lower or higher. Looks like lower, but we'll wait and see. If you like this kind of analysis, go ahead and check the comments and learn how you can join us for just $7 for 30 days.